Yo, Strum Master Lee. This is where we are. Somewhere in here. Actually, I think right there in the middle. Oh, this is Rockwell Center. The whole thing. Yes. Holy moly. Even within Makati, which is a city, they have a city within a city. Wow, this mall already has a very different vibe. According to locals, this is where celebrities come to shop. So I'm assuming that means it's very high end. This is the bougie mall. I think we've seen low, middle, high now. This is definitely high. You know how it's high? They got a invisible piano man with the biggest balls I've ever seen. Let me show you how big these balls are. This is the size of my hand. Oh, look at this display. Tell you, man, when the holidays come here in the Philippines, they go crazy with the decorations. They brought out the whole reindeer family here. And it's animatronics. It's literally moving. How you doing, buddy? Hey, how you good? Your family's all back there asking you to hurry up because there's traffic. It's reindeer traffic. Recreating the streets of the Philippines. We already lost somebody as we're walking around here. They have a Din Tai Fung here. That's one of Ludette's favorites. They have it in Vegas. They have one in Taiwan. Well, of course, Taiwan. It's from Taiwan. But we've not been to like 2 or 3 of these from around the world, so I highly recommend it. And as someone who is Chinese who lives in Taiwan, I can say confidently I know when there's good dim sum. This is it. Xiaolong Bao specifically. You can tell Owen Mall is fancy because there's a lot of brands where they have the nicest looking logos. Clinique, Estee Lauder, whatever this is, Mars, NARS. Or this one I don't like. I almost feel like someone screwed up in Photoshop and bunched the letters together. Basically, negative spacing between letters. Dior. Oh, I love her. She's so beautiful. I know that's controversial because I know some people think like she looks weird, like her eyes are spaced too far apart. I think she's just gorgeous. Wow, that other tree was big. This one here is gargantuan. Woo! 3 floors, yo. Look at this. This walkway, 100% decorated to the tilt. Someone deserves the end of the year bonus for this. Oh my goodness, we're not even on the first floor, baby. They decorate even below. Wow. It's almost like they went to like a Walmart and bought every light half off and said we got to use them all, every single light in the store. I mean, look at this. This is unreal. Everyone's saying wow. I agree. Wow. So I think this mall is actually 5 floors deep. Goes down too. Why? I'm sure there's more. The number of lights here is staggering. I mean, just floor after floor. All right, you guys, let me focus here. Let me just show you how many lights are. All right, you ready? All right. We are hungry, so we're trying to see if there's anything interesting to eat here. And this whole floor, it's not a food court concept. It's like all restaurants are in down here, which is a really smart idea. It makes it just easy to, pick a place to sit and eat. So you just walk the whole strip. Banana leaf. I didn't know that was a chain. They have that in Vegas. Chili's, Cafe Mediterranean. It's so funny. I think about 30 of these places they have in Vegas. So either it means Vegas is happening or this place is happening. Ah, jabroni pizza. I bet you dad will want some of that. Because I remember watching another vlogger, and he says this is the only place where you get pizza that is close to New York style pizza. Let's see if that's what she wants to get. All right, they have a whole marketplace down here in the basement. Or rather, they have a whole grocery store. And this is a very Western feeling place. You got a bread section here with fresh croissants, baguettes, and they got a deli section where you have cheese and deli meats and alcohol section here. This is one fancy place to eat. And fresh coffee. And, rotisserie chicken. Actually, they have a lot of places to eat in here. This is not just a grocery store. Oh, we should have came in here to eat. You can get grilled chicken. That's a meager piece of grilled chicken there. Cakes. Yan Chow. Chinese place. Looks like it's roast duck. I think I've seen this place before. It's a chain. Sparrows. Yo Coco. And you can buy prepackaged dim sum and frozen meals. I think that's the end. Oh, that's just it. I think I actually wandered out of the grocery store. Let's wander back in. Okay. Actually, the grocery store is a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be huge, but I think half of it is just like place to eat, which is totally separate. You got sushi here, so if you're into that, fresh sushi just made, similar to like the grocery stores of the U.S. And just by looking around, I would say this place looks very much like an American supermarket. Definitely catered towards Westerns. The typical things I see is not like what I would see in a Chinese grocery store, even a Filipino grocery store. We got the meat section here. So that looks like it's a lot of imported meats. Yep. Canadian meats, U.S. meats, Korean kind of fare, and butter balls. So that's definitely imported there. This one here. And this honestly just feels like an American grocery store. But what are the prices like though? So let's see here. This is ground beef. I don't know this brand. I don't know if it's like pure ground beef, but total price is $346. That is about $6 for all that. It's definitely more than the U.S., but that actually looks like premium cuts of meat, though. So, let's see, fish. All right, fish is definitely much more varied, much more Chinese grocery store. Like they got tilapia here, but otherwise, this does not look like an American grocery store here. They got a bunch of spices. They have eggs. Actually, this is one of those things that people don't realize. Only in the U.S. do they put eggs like in the freezer. In most other countries, like the Philippines, you just have it on the store shelf. Because eggs actually have a natural protectant against spoilage. Right? Because usually, hey, if we didn't eat them, they're just sitting around in the chicken coop all day and they ain't going bad. All right, you want to change my mind? This place is actually very huge. I didn't realize this was all in the back. It's probably got like 10 rows. Ovaltine. Actually, that's not Ovaltine. That's Ovomaltine. Crunchy cream made with malted crunchy pieces and cocoa. What is that? I've never had that before. You have almond milk here. You have snacks here. No, this place is huge. This is awesome. So basically, if you're a Westerner and you can't give up your Western ways, if you will, and you want to live out here, you could totally live in this neighborhood and just shop here. It feels like you get everything that you want from back home and not miss a beat. Spaghetti, mushrooms, tea, your crackers. Actually, it's even better because I think half of it feels like they even got Takis. Look at that. I mean, I didn't think they would have that because that's a more of a Latino kind of snack. No, but they got it here. But what I like about this place, it's like half Western, half Asian, right? So the best of two worlds combined. Wow. And you got Pringles. Pringles are big here, by the way. And Lay's. They do have Lay's everywhere here, too. So, got my two favorite things. Chips. And snacks. All right. There you go, you all. Oh, the other thing, you can have dogs in the mall here. A lot of people have dogs. They have them in strollers. Look at these cuties. They got two of them. They're so cute. Oakley, Levi's. Oh, now American brand, but I love the fact they got an Asian model on there. Hey, hey, hey. Very nice. Very sexy. Representation. Hollow. Isn't that a Filipino dessert? Well, actually, this mall is bigger than I thought. It's more than one long strip. It's like almost like a loop, a tight loop. I could spend all day in malls here, man. They're just so much more entertaining than American malls. It's not a Apple store. It's a Power Max Center. I think it's legit. It says premium partner, so I think it's legit. Oh, you want to see a traditional Filipino dress? This is it. It basically looks like they have shoulder armor from World of Warcraft. Sexy, right? I know you like. All right, Ludette's somewhere in here buying stuff. She says she grew up with this brand, so it's nostalgia. All right, y'all. Happy holidays. Hopefully I get this up while the holidays are still here. Make sure you subscribe if you want some more. Walking tours from John X Lulu. I mean, look at this place. Enjoy one last parting shot. Ooh, that pretty.